Hi there, Tony Maynard here again from diehardforeducation.com. And I'm at the logo again for passive income. This is the photo for it because that's the way forward, as it states here. That's why I put this sign or this photo on the passive income um, uh, passive income entry. This is why, because and passive income goes round and round and round. That's what it does. It goes round and round and round, and it keeps paying you. The way forward is through passive income, not active income, which is what most of the world is on. Because why? Has anybody taught you about the commerce? No. You see, there's a reason for that. But I don't want to get into that right now. But anyway, this is about the print on demand business, which is passive, by the way, right? It's a printed passive system. And all you have to do is make these sayings, these logos, and these what are they? These sayings, logos, and these slogans. That's it. And put them on your t-shirts, your mugs, your caps, and your jackets, and your hoodies, and anything else you want to put it on. You see, so this is what this business is about. You see, I'm teaching you the way forward. That's what I'm doing, right? And so, without further ado, right, let's get on with it. I'll make some more slogans, shall we? Because this is the way forward, right? This is how this is, you know. Um, you know, see? So, here's another one. Oh, okay, I made a mistake there. That's wrong. We want the N, not the M. Passive income. This is an obvious one, and I think most people understand this. It gives you this. Passive income gives you freedom. Absolutely. No doubt about it in my mind. It does, It releases from you from the chains of the clock, right? And the hourly rate. That's what it does. You have to get your own system going, you see? Build your here, and here's another one, right? I just said it. Build build your own passive system while working your job. That's right. That's right. Because that's the way forward. This is the way to get rich, get wealthy, get free. You not necessarily get rich, right? Get wealthy, but to get free, you can build your own passive system while working your job. You can. You can do this part time, right? You don't have to be doing it full time. Passive income gives you freedom. It frees you from the slavery of active income, where and where you just got to be there. You got to be present to get the money. You see, you're only hourly rated. Well, you don't need that. You can work your hourly rated job, right, and you can create a passive income for yourself as well, right? Income system, which doesn't take much time, right? This is the thing about it. This is what the passive systems don't take much time. Here's another one. See, passive So there you go. This is another thing, another one. See, it doesn't take much time to build this. It doesn't. And you don't have to be present. You don't have to be there all the damn time. See, so there's three more up, come up right on the fly, right in front of you. Three more slogans. There they are, right there. Passive income gives you freedom. Build your own passive income system while working your job. That's right. Why? Because it'll set you free, right, from the slavery of active income, which is nothing but poverty because you always got to be there. And it uses up your life. And you only get one existence. Sorry. You need a shake up, see? Passive income systems don't take much time to build. That's true. You know, you can do it part-time. See, this is this is these slogans. You put them on your shirts, you put them on your t-shirts, you put them on your mugs, your hoodies and your jackets and your mugs, and you know, people see them, right? And they go, whoa, I didn't know that. I didn't know that I could do that. And you go, you know, you go do a Printful, you get into Printful. Come on, get into Printful. You know, get into Printful and build your own passive system. That's what you got to do. It doesn't take much time. You know, you can spend, you know, I mean, you know, just don't watch TV anymore. Because watch TV, it's just wasting your time, see? When you can be doing something really valuable for your family, right? That's what you could be doing, and for yourself, right? You can be building yourself a passive system that can replace your job. That's what you could be doing instead of sitting in front of the goggle box and getting and getting entertained with a load of rubbish. You know, it's not going to help you. Well, you know, if you're watching sport, well, it's even worse because you're watching these gridiron players, or if you're in America, and these baseball players, if you're in America, getting paid millions of dollars, and you're sitting there with your popcorn and getting nothing. You see, you're being stupid, right? Because you're on active income and you've never been taught what to do and told what to do, right? So put these on your shirts and on your t-shirts and on your hoodies and on your jackets and on your hat caps and on your mugs. People will see them and they will realise some things, and I'll ask them some questions probably. That's what'll happen. You see, this is the way forward. Is through passive income. It's the way forward. It's the way to become free and to give yourself freedom. You see, YouTube is one example of that. A lot of people have got free on YouTube. Same thing. It's passive income. That's why. That's the reason for it. They don't have to work all the time. See, it's the same deal. You see, the internet's full of this. But people don't understand, do they, eh? They've been indoctrinated to serve who? Who do you? Government. Which is not government, it's a company, right? I'm telling you that now. And the taxes are bloody their profits, and they take them off you, see, because you're stupid, right? Don't let them get away with it. Get on to this, because passive income is the least taxed, right? They don't tell you that, do they, eh? They want you to work the job that is highly taxed, right? That's what they want you to do, right? So, I'll show you, right? This is what it is, right? This is how this is done, right? There you go. There's a girl with a hoodie on, and she's got, what has she got written on there? Your design here. Your design here. Yeah, that's it. Your design here. See, on that hoodie, right? And that's what you have to do. That's all you have to do. You do that. You know, you come up with the sayings. It's not that difficult because I did three in a row, just like that, in front of you. You know, on the fly, right? So it's not that hard. It is not difficult. But you've been told that business is difficult, which is a lie. It's not. See, it's just a lie to keep you trapped. That's all. And I'll show you something else. You see, with Printful, right? Printful also gives you a free account. They give you a free account. This is my free account, right? and they tell you what the best-selling items are. So you've got an edge up from the competition, and because you put a slogan on your t-shirts, on your hats, and on your mugs, and on your mats, and everything else, you are differentiating yourself in the marketplace, even with the people on Printful, right? Because you come up with them, they're yours, and it's covered by copyright. This is an incredible business. It's the easiest business I know. It is. It's easy. You know, and they start you off for free, and they teach you everything. They teach you what you need to do. They give you look. They show you what you need to do. Connect your store. Add products to your store. So they teach you everything. They tell you everything. They show you everything. These guys want you to succeed. This is a passive system. This is what you want to get involved in, not active, which is poverty. This is passive, which is wealth. You see, you're not tied to an hourly rate. Which you don't want, which is slavery. Because you've got to be there 10 hours, 12 hours, something, try and get some money, and then you're highly taxed. You're giving giving a third of your money to the bloody corporation that calls itself government, and you're giving them their profits because you don't know any better because you've never been taught commerce. See, this is the first instance where someone's actually explained to you what the hell's going on, right? So get off your ass and get into the Printful and do this, right? I'm telling you, do yourself a favour. Come on. This is the way forward. This is passive income. You do this, you'll change it. Now, don't cry over the losers, right? Chuck them out, put up some more. That's what you do, This is how it's done. You don't lose anything here. You make money, then Printful makes money. This is how business should be done. I think so. Definitely. So, get involved. You're doing yourself a disservice. You've been indoctrinated. You've been, conditioned to believe certain things that aren't true, and that's the trouble. Okay. All right. So we go back to these again. So passive income gives you freedom, and it does. But you've got to get clean up what's between your ears. Build your own passive system while working your job. Yes, do that. That's the way forward, right? Passive income systems don't take much time, and that's why you can do it part-time to build. You can. It can be done that way. No problem at all. You can do your Printful business part-time after your job. Just cut the TV out. You don't need to worry about TV. Maybe get up an hour earlier as well as another one. That's all you have to do. It doesn't take much to change your life, right? And your financial future. That's exactly right. I mean, it's the truth. Just remember that, right? If you like this video, smash the like button. If you want to see more, smash the notification bell and subscribe to the channel. And thank you for watching, right? And get into your own Printful business. It's the way forward. It's passive income, which will give you freedom. And then you'll be able to walk away from your Just Joe job just on broke, which you've got to always be there, and you can't, there's no getting free from that. It's just you're just chained to it, like a dog to a post. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again on the next video. Thanks and bye for now.